Now.
Oh, how would you want to come back in time? Okay, let's start a talk show.
A talk show?
The birthday. Aaron, never mind, just do it. I'll come over and help you. Oh, okay, I'll interview Aaron. We're talking about eating whatever eat off.
Slide across the floor.
I'm eating this fish. Okay, today. Today we're with Edith Piaf and let's ask you some questions in French. Got any paper? I don't know French. Okay, tell us about Chernobyl. Edith Piaf. That's no French, but Edith Piaf. You know, let's just leave the question and find one random word in the dictionary.
What? Why?
One random word you say.
Can you find like
punch?
Punch.
That means a boxing match is coming.
Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be. Aw. Okay, you guys got a box right now. Get off your ass, Aaron. You guys are gonna box.
Hold on.
Wait, are they still in the room? Oh, I'm gonna catch them on camera. Watch. Watch this. Damn, I almost caught you guys. We're having a boxing match. I'm getting it on videotape.
Do you want to be part of the boxing match? What? No, because you'll hit me with it. I'm done.
Wait. Okay, we're having a boxing match now.
Hold up the...
Aw, couple right there.
Okay, this is my opponent.
What? Wait, I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
No.
No, oh, okay. Don't
You
like...
are gonna get burned.
Oh, why would you do that?
I thought that wasn't important.
I don't know if it was. Oh, it's gonna be done in like 15 seconds. My arm's getting tired here.
Spit in the garbage can.
Why would you do that?
Oh, I thought it was on.
Okay, it's gonna end in like 3, 2, 1.